Angel Obinim, Bishop Obinim, Kojo Nyansa, aha, waba bonten abekasa. Now, Obinim MITS say he's not going to reply to Nsemo Kennedy Japan Ekano, Wejai Bibia Amanaka. Rightfully so. Na Obinim na one the workers ekasa. Na nina no metretre munse meboni audio na tremo na. I let you guys understand from my point of view what I feel Obinim was doing. Obinim Eden Sembi Ababetuja whilst he was speaking with his fans, his followers, his church members, and then his workers. Na adia wapese watro mo loyalty. Ye kase loyalty a se will be aye bibiama wasebe esumbo enuhunti nipa kro no wonye ne boneda. That means you are loyal to that person. Now, Obinim preaching on loyalty. Ena wakan sembi na ensema wakan ye no esan se ye analysis inti ye hu se dabi nsem bia Kennedy Japan edebetu dwa efa Obinim ho no Obinim is confirming or was confirming that, and then rightfully me Kennedy Japan ba bonte meka se Obinim share asori ase no wo hyase wo park ena wo de ko fie bi na wo bi be che na asase ne sanyama no. I didn't know that, so I was waiting for a confirmation. Whilst Obinim work as the fans and then the followers and then the workers on loyalty, no, he decided to explain from where was share asorenase, and from that point, and no interest in the cre that side that Kennedy Japan ebeka in the ne cre. So will be nim share asorenase no was shall say a free park and I ende Nyankopon be pijana wabedani will be nima wadane ende. Now Obinim speaking on loyalty and now what can say was shall say sa and I would free. Ena ende wababenya nkrofo a ebe no wo hye asori ase no wo se wono ene ne yerepe ene hye ase wono ne yerepe was the only member of the church. Iti ne yerepe ni obi a wo hu asori no ahye ase iti ende wo mo a wo tale ne hu ni na no, they didn't see onu obi nim ni beginning. Na rightfully so nanka obi nim enye se Nyankopon ebe lifting no enanka sebe nanka bebi a wo no say school park na me nya sure say ende wo mo ananka wo tale ne ho a wo mo giska kese no me nya sure say nanka wo mo betumi aba betale ne ho eno ene nsemo na wo bi nim ode tudwa na ne ni mu no bi bebisa say adan na wo bi nim wo kasa ana asemo aba aha ena wo sha ase free. And then that is where yenye analysis no ebem me susu say Obinim was preaching on loyalty to send an indirect message across, even though Obinim aka so one kasa wo Kennedy Japan was sending subium no, he was sending an indirect message from me. What I was listening no, he was sending an indirect message to tell us say en somewhere ekwaso nina no eye enkrofo bia na woni omo aye adwuma pen a seven prediasa we feeding nkrofo ne pen anawa ma omo sika pen no wo mo na wo mo afa na asem ede na asem akwa gina Kennedy Japan ho a asem no ye bo e wo social media so no any TV so radio nkrofo so bo me. That is what I got from the explanation Obinim was giving. And I was speaking on loyalty no. So it is a message he's saying to everyone. Say ende sebi kakra wo nsem ena nkrofo bi etalewa hwe hu so ye eni kwan se wo be ma nkrofo no ehu wo nsem ni na, because ende me de sa asem no obi a wo follow me channel bia ne de bia meka se he nipa daseni ende wo bi ya wadanfo pa wo chena obetumi abedane your tight enemy. Hwa ewiase won wo mo a wo mo ya watanfo a wo mo tan wo pa no mostly wo bekom no na one day and some time ago na wo mo ya wadanfo eya koye se ebia na wo girl bi na chese we aba abejai girl no unse tumi do baby a girl no tumi betan wa, but a point in time no the girl had love for you. It's a media someone de bia meka ne se ewiase we enye time bia na obi begina won chen sa nti susu kan wusu mu asem tre nkrofo wo chine bi wonya wadanfo a waka wusu mu asem atre no, waka wusu mu asem atre no. I felt say the explanation Obinim was given ekopie so say wo confirm say ne kre asori no wo shase free park so say ne Kennedy Japan kan no. I sense that explanation no, he was just trying to tell people say and there nkrofo tale wo ho a hweye na wo china bi wan hweye a wone wo ebedane atamfo a wo de wonsem ebekwa kogina kwan ho na waton ne se dokono yenkotie obi ne mensem ne mra
pa obe record aswa me kama obi ni mma asama mi ken me kama obi ni emma emfa bonten sofo ho efa obi ni emma ho 2 efa obi ni workersefo ho mo adwene wa ha umpenya muti mo obi anhwe fon so wa behwe fon so me braste because eye menemo na ekasa me ka se me kama obi ni mma ena me sa kama obi ni workers nam ya be si loyalty no kakra menim na mama so for George akira se kakra na afi yapon me na me ye bishinia Jesus Christ Eddie Asori friend IJWC International Gospel Church esi menisu ehye me nsa se min lady edomo no munim se me start wo park so yes amidi wo park so de mintimi nka no wa ha se mi twa 2 years se mi twa 3 years se mi twa 4 years mi twa 5 years e wo park ne so no mintimi nka dabi eba be kirem yes amitwa wo park ne so munka ma se mu infanto mo record on to me free park ne so me ko school dem yes amidi ni wo school dem single room no mintimi nka wa ha me free one obi de na sase maame yes amidi ni wo obi asase ne so no mintimi nka no ha ansana minya sika koto miama sase me start asori no me na me yire Florence obinim Akuya Florence obinim me na me yire Akuya Florence obinim and start entini ye tupe ye tu sei bijina ho sei Akuya Florence bijina ho sei ye mienu ne start ye die obeka ho mane ye miensa enan enu ekode mintumi ntiechiri mu because of time mena minim die Jesus Christ aka akire me mena nim die onyankopon ayi akire me se memfa asore ne mfa so obi nim fans obi nim ma obi nim workers muntie me nsem wi ne ekoma mo asofo a ye wo Ghana ne wiase nyina no obi a woni gidi a ogi ni nyankopon di obi a woni gidi a wogi Jesus Christ edi obi gi nyankopon di obi nyi Jesus Christ ni neso ye boni din se oye sofo okay obi ni ma make say mi gi nyankopon di se nyankopon God is there mi gi Yesu Kristo di se Yesu oye nyankopon ba mi gi Holy Spirit edi eye Trinity of God nyame agya oba ene nkonkono mi gi omo me ensadi mo amunye obi nim fansefo mo amunye obi nim adofo no wonte de make na so beka se minko ni straight emfa ho ti yiwa no frim na me kasa kire me fans madofo ene me mba ti yiwa no frim me nka se bra me hwe me program kra me mfrɛ wo ha wo pa asem ene wawuram ti yedin na me nka ma asem
na de me very interesting in asem we nyina ho ne se sa ade we ya wo bi nim eka asisi ano wamamo ati ase se eye ne fans ena wo kasa atre so indirectly he wants to tell you because obi ni maka say one reply to Kennedy Japan and Crawford say one year dino when him say sa audio yi eba abontia Crawford beka say obi nim de waso odin o yes men reply to Kennedy Japan men reply na agrada akra ba abontia beka say obi nim reply to Kennedy Japan no na agrada na kasa beka kwahwe obi nim no. So he knows, say, people will mistake this and say, and people will take this and say, well, reply to Kennedy Japan. Intia, and I want the clause. I say, Jose, moi, the fans no kasa tremo, and ya abontin so for. Obviously, Kennedy Japan is not the fans of Obinim. It's not a fan, sorry, of Obinim. It's not part of the fans of Obinim. Obviously, one more mbeka say tiano no, one more enye na sorry mma. Intino indirectly or tremo say was tremo and ya reply and what they mark in the Japan one name now sorry for and kasa. Now for me in the same me din kan chair no at least it has confirmed in same na Kennedy Japan worker. It doesn't show say in sending in na Kennedy Japan e kan ye no e ye ne kre because obviously the first time Kennedy Japan be kan send be prefer will be nim ho no e analysis who say yes e bi ye ne kre e bi nye ne kre. But at least this show say the Kennedy Japan work and say will be nim sha sorry I say woko park so any and there show say indeed will be and na wa command information no what the am Kennedy Japan into no me say and that will be nim be 2 hours a live session what can send be brave na ye ko nini na say monim say de bia ye de bremo no na ya fa no 111 na ye nim say at the end of the day na Ghana for mo benya the whole picture. And that me no more can say a Monday. Kennedy Japan a promise saying, say Monday was also at the more ebeba into your henenim.